Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. So did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the green line there is coming from. And another nice day today, including the final portion of the day where you can see the final 30 minutes got the nice green candle. So we'll have to see if this is the start of something bigger or not. If it is the start of something bigger, then there's going to be a couple of key levels here that need to be broken. And that first level of resistance right up there around $3.15. If the price can get up through $3.15, then at that point, things turn around to a pretty historic level, and that's right up here at $3.20. And I call that a historic level. If you go back through the history of things, you can see right there the price got rejected by it, and that was early on Monday. And then you go back to last week, and you can see that level right there was, again, pushing the price back downwards. So the point being that 320 has quite a bit of history with it, and that is definitely a level where a lot of people are watching. And when a lot of eyeballs are watching a certain level and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some pretty interesting price dynamics. So again, 320 is that level that a lot of people will be watching. But first, got to get up above 315. It's definitely off to a good start though, because like I said, final 30 minutes of the day right here, you can see got the nice green candle. So we'll see if the price can build upon that or not. As far as levels of support are concerned, nothing new here to report compared to the video from Monday. Still have that purple line there, which is the 50-period moving average, and that would certainly be the preferable area that you would want to see the price stay up above. Now, if the price doesn't hold above it, that doesn't mean the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that, because you still do have this next support, the green line right there at $2.98. But given right now the price is much closer to potentially breaking through 15 than even testing any of these supports, it's looking like the current kind of priorities right now are relevant areas. So priority is not necessarily the right word, but the relevant areas are definitely these areas of resistance going forward. So, 315 is within striking distance. So let's see if the bulls can push up through there. And who knows, maybe even 320 is within striking distance. So Wednesday definitely taking shape to be a pretty interesting day. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.